जी हाँ, इस रिपोर्ट में हम बात कर रहे हैं बॉलीवुड एक्ट्रेस ट्विंकल खन्ना के बारे में। आप भी जानते हैं कि लॉरियल की ब्रांड एम्बेसडर में ऐश्वर्या का नाम हमेशा से कई सालों से टॉप पर रहा है। अगर हिंदी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री की बात करें, यानी कि हिंदी फिल्म जगत की बात करें, तो ऐश्वर्या राय बच्चन के अलावा इस ब्रांड के साथ जुड़ी हैं दीपिका पादुकोण, सोनम कपूर, साथ में अब ट्विंकल खन्ना थी। ट्विंकल खन्ना ने इसके बावजूद ऐश्वर्या राय बच्चन को इस लिस्ट से बाहर किया है। हाल ही में लॉरियल की तरफ से होस्ट किए गए कन्वर्सेशन के दौरान ट्विंकल खन्ना ने हेयर, ब्यूटी एंड लाइफस्टाइल के बारे में बात की। इस दौरान ऐश्वर्या राय बच्चन नहीं नजर आई। ऐश्वर्या को धक्का देकर यहाँ पर ट्विंकल ने अपनी जगह बना ली है। ऐश्वर्या हर वक्त लॉरियल को लेकर बात करती हैं, फिर चाहे कोई भी इवेंट फंक्शन हो, फिर चाहे इससे जुड़ी टॉप मोस्ट इवेंट की ही क्यों ना बात करें। इसके बावजूद ऐश्वर्या की जगह अब ट्विंकल खन्ना लेकर यहाँ पहुंची। खैर, आपको ये भी बता दें, ऐश्वर्या और सोनम के बीच ताबड़तोड़ लड़ाई हुई थी। कैट फाइट की खबरें खूब चर्चा में थी जब ऐश्वर्या को सोनम की जगह एक खास इवेंट में चुना गया था, उन्हें ब्रांड एम्बेसडर बनाया गया था, जिसके बाद दोनों की कैट फाइट लंबे समय तक चली। हालांकि ये कैट फाइट खत्म हो गई है, अब जिसकी शुरुआत ट्विंकल खन्ना कर रही हैं। खैर, सुनते हैं कितनी एक्साइटेड नजर आई है ट्विंकल ऐश्वर्या की जगह इस मौके पर लेने पर। बता दें आपको, बॉलीवुड एक्ट्रेस ट्विंकल खन्ना को फनी बोन्स भी कहा जाता है। यही वजह है कि ट्विंकल खन्ना किसी भी मुद्दे पर बात करने से पहले कुछ खास नहीं सोचती। उन्हें हमेशा से ही अपनी बातों को रखना आता है और कंट्रोवर्शियल स्टेटमेंट्स देने में भी उन्हें बिल्कुल भी एतराज नहीं, ना ही उन्हें कोई आपत्ति होती है। फिर चाहे वो किसी एक्ट्रेस को लेकर हो, किसी एक्टर को लेकर हो, पॉलिटिकल मुद्दे को लेकर हो, या फिर किसी फिल्म को लेकर हो, या फिर क्यों ना हो किसी इवेंट को लेकर, किसी भी एक्टर की पर्सनल लाइफ को लेकर। ट्विंकल खन्ना हमेशा से ही अपने खास अंदाज को लेकर चर्चा में रही है। यही वजह है कि उन्हें फनी बोन्स का नाम मिला है, जो ट्विटर पर हमेशा ही अपने अटपटे उलझुल ट्वीट को लेकर भी लोगों के बीच मजाक का हिस्सा भी बनी रहती है।
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. L'Oréal Professionnel is a brand I've been connected to with pretty much all my life, or at least from the first time I colored my hair. And one of the perks is that even at a time like this where it's raining cats and dogs and the only thing that's looking pretty are potholes, I still have a great hair day. So thanks to L'Oréal. Any questions for me? This is the first time in my life nobody has any questions.
Hi, we all have our fair share of bad hair days, so I wanted to know if you had like any worst hair memory or something.
The worst hair memory is I went for a haircut, and by the time it was done, the back of my head had been shaved and I was looking at the hair on the floor and crying. So I don't think it can get worse than that. And
Excuse me.
Hi.
hi.
I just want to say you're a big inspiration to a lot of women all over India. I just wanted to know, what is your signature beauty style?
Because I'm someone who does a lot of things, and I'm a working woman and I'm a mom, my signature style would be to make the minimum effort and have the maximum effect. So there are loads of things I do. I probably blow dry only the front of my hair. And there are times when I also end up, and L'Oreal kills me for it, where I say just color half my hair, let me go, who's going to look at the back? So yeah, I save time by lots of short tricks.
Thanks. Hi ma'am, you look beautiful. And I want to ask you that you've done so many films. Which film do you think that you look the best? The look, hair, makeup, everything.
Because I'm now 40, I have also got Alzheimer's. I don't remember I was ever in the movies. So if you ask me, then I think I look really good today, and I think I look better today than I did even before when I was in the movies.
I feel जब प्यार किसी से होता है.
Thank you, I guess.
Hi. Absolutely love everything that you do. I just need to know a little bit more about your current hair color and what does it really say about you, your lifestyle, and where they get the inspiration to. Do you like the color? I don't know.
So right now I have Parisian Chocolat on, and in the last month I've been a redhead, which I normally am. I've been blonde, and now I'm a brunette. And the only reason I still have hair on my head and it's not falling off is because I make Smart Bond in my hair. Otherwise I have nothing left. Again, like today, it would all be on the floor.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Twinkle, how much time do you usually take to get ready, and how much of that time goes in fixing your hair?
It depends what I'm doing. If you ask me today, I probably spend 2 hours getting ready, and tomorrow I'll spend 3 minutes because my hair will be in a bun and I'll be at my desk. So it depends on the day. And a quick fix, especially in weather like this, I make a bun, and then I have the most beautiful bun ornaments with 3 prongs, which I can also use as a weapon and stab people, and I just take that in. So yeah.
Awesome. Thank you, Twinkle, for being a part of this journey and your presence here today.
I heard Aditi and then she disappeared. Where is she?
And we have 2 more questions for you.
Okay. Good evening, Twinkle. So we'll be looking forward to your hair color as well as something more from your end. So what is the next book we can watch out for?
Well, I'm just finishing, so I think it should be out soon. And all I can say right now is that it's a novel, and that's all I'm saying. You'll have to wait.
And where do you get your inspiration from? That was a part of the same question though.
I'm always watching people, and I take notes, and I watch everything. So even, there was a hairstylist here. I will remember what shoes he's worn the last time I saw him, which was purple, and today it's burgundy. So I'm watching everything everyone's doing.
Wow. Nice, thank you.
Hi, how do you prep your hair before you go on a holiday? Do you go for a treatment? Is there something that you do specifically?
I think what I try and do most of the time is I probably use Power Mix in my hair. And again, though I know this is the wrong platform to say it, but I don't think we have to be really obsessed with the way we look as much as we are. So there are times on days where you have to look your best, and you curl your hair, and you go to a salon and you color your hair. And then there are other times when you have to just let yourself be, have salt in your hair, run around, let it burn, then fix it.
On that note, may we please request everyone to join us at the photo booth for pictures and boomerangs with Twinkle Khanna. And all of you have a great evening ahead. Thank you.
Thank you very much for being here. Thank you.
Next 9 Yazun report.